You searched how to buy shares of Manitowoc Co Inc. Manitowoc manufactures large cranes and heavy lifting equipment and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker MTW. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy MTW, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. On the platform, use the search box and type the ticker MTW to find the listing. Select the result that matches Manitowoc Co Inc. to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm the listing. Make sure the company name, exchange, and ticker all match MTW on NASDAQ. To place an order, click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order will be queued or scheduled for market open. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is processed. For the example linked to eToro and more details, see the description below.